My first creation is a Steakhouse burger. I'm gonna fry some big sliced bacon. I'm gonna use this bacon grease and put it inside of my beef patty. So this burger is gonna be extra flavorful and super juicy. I have 2 pounds of beef here, 80-20, so that's 80% meat, 20% fat. I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. I'm gonna add some black pepper and some garlic powder. Before I mix that up, I'm gonna take some of that bacon grease and put it right in this bowl. Just gonna give it a mix. You definitely don't wanna over mix it. It's gonna make that patty really tough. It's about a ½ pound each. And I'm just gonna form a ball and press a little indent in the center. And that's to make sure that your patty does not puff up. Oh yeah. I like cooking my patties in the bacon fat. Normally, if it's a thinner patty, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes to get to medium well. But because these are a little thicker, it may take up to 5 to 6 minutes per side. All right, we're ready to flip. Oh yeah. So I'm just pressing the center. It gives me a bounce back. I know that it's still a little rare in the center. The outside is definitely cooked. That's done. And the great thing about beef, it's still gonna cook while it's cooling down. So you don't wanna overcook it inside your skillet. So my patties are done. Now I'm gonna get started on my frizzled onions. Frizzled onions, what are those? It's basically an onion that's deep fried in batter. I've sliced 1 red onion, got some buttermilk, and that's gonna help the flour stick to the onions. I'm using some of my house seasoning. It's garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, pepper. Just seasoning my flour, mix it up. So I'm just dipping my onion in the flour. I have some vegetable oil here in my pot. That smells incredible. The aroma in this kitchen between the burger, that bacon, and these onions, oh my goodness. These are nice and golden brown. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be super crunchy on top of that juicy, meaty patty. Oh my goodness. Oh. Now I'm gonna get started on my blue cheese dressing. Dicing up some chives into the bowl. I'm adding some buttermilk. Use about a cup of sour cream and lots of blue cheese. That's about a cup. Mix it up. I don't know about you, but I love a good chunky blue cheese dressing, and this is it. Let's build this burger. Press it down. I have a steak knife. I'm gonna just take a cherry tomato, put the steak knife through it, and close the burger. Photo ready.